Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Yang Yao, and our best player of the game, Anton Asistio. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yang, you had to go to overtime for the team to be able to successfully take this game home. How would you assess the character, the grit that the team displayed as we approach the playoffs?
Good test for us. This is a good experience. We have to learn how to win close games. Hindi ko alam how we survive yung import nila. No? Play the monster game, 49 points. Medyo napagod lang siguro nung bandang huli. But si Berto, si Bolik also was a headache for us. No? So what we try to do is we just try to hang in there. Sabi ko, dikit lang tayo sa ganda ng nilalaro ng import. Tapos may support naman sa local. Maybe at some point they'll tire out. Maybe they'll miss some shots. That's gonna be our opportunity to get our own run. Which actually happened. No? We got a run pero naubos din bago mag-overtime. No? So they got a run back. But these games are good for us. These games are also good for the fans, something to enjoy. No? So, we'll see. We have a chance at San Miguel on Thursday. No? We'll see if we can still play for the #1 spot in our group. I think we have a chance at that. So, we'll keep trying. But to us, the most important thing tonight, sabi ko sa kanila, gusto lang natin maka 6 wins tayo. Kasi pasok tayo sa quarterfinals pag maka 6 wins tayo. So the most important thing for us was just win the game. Overtime man yan, 1 point man yan, 20 points man yan. Importante lang manalo tayo para makalook forward tayo sa playoffs. So we accomplished that tonight. But we only have a day break before our next game. So we have to focus on San Miguel this time.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now, Anton, you had a 14-point explosion in the first quarter. What was it with this game that inspired you to play with a sense of urgency and at the same time sustain it up until the final moment?
Siguro for me, just to stay aggressive. Si Coach Yang naman is known to give all his players opportunities. And sinasabi niya yun sa amin from the moment he stepped into rain or shine. So ako ready lang ako whenever my number is called and to just be aggressive.